world allures with sparkling glam, Varanasi outshines with its ancient charm. I wish I had a house somewhere in the winding ways and spent time by the ghats from sunrise to sunset.
Krishna Govinda Hare Murari Meenakshi Narayan Vasudeva.
As the morning lights touch the city, the ghats get busy with daily activities. Sitting by the river, it feels as if the time has ceased, and we appreciate the simple beauties that we missed. Where our lives got entangled in the rat race, there we found pure joy in an innocent face. Civilization has always flourished by river banks. In this video, we have come up with some lesser known yet interesting spots located just adjacent to the ghats of Kashi.
Varanasi lies in the cradle of the two tributaries of river Ganga, that is Varuna and Assi, and hence came the name Varanasi. There are around 88 ghats in Varanasi, and every ghat has its own unique story to share and beauty to behold.
Manikarnika Tambe, popularly known as the Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, was born in Varanasi. In her memory, the Rani Lakshmi Bai Janmasthali has been built near the Assi Ghat. The murals inside the memorial depicts her life history.
Poet and philosopher Goswami Tulsidas is believed to have completed his Ramcharitmanas in Varanasi. It was in his honor that the Lolar Ghat was renamed as the Tulsi Ghat, and the renovation work was done by the industrialist Baldev Das Birla. The Ramcharitmanas was written in Awadhi language instead of the then prevalent Sanskrit. The original manuscript was kept inside the Hanuman temple, which is located very close to the Tulsi Ghat, but it was stolen in December 2011. Fortunately, the manuscript has been recovered and now it is kept under lock and key away from the public purview.
Located close to the Tulsi Ghat lies the Lolark Kund. Locals believe that a dip in this kund fulfills the wish of having a son. The Lolarkeshwar Mahadev temple is located in the same compound. From there, we went to see the Suparshvanath Digambar Jain temple.
Jain literature refers to Kashi as a Jain Tirtha Kshetra because 4 of its 24 Tirthankaras were born over here. Kashi is the birthplace of Suparshvanath, Chandra Prabhu, Shriyansnath and Parshvanath.
Sri Anandamayi Ashram in Shivala is in walking distance from the Jain Tirtha Kshetra. Ma Anandamayi was a saint and a yoga guru. Such was her grace that eminent personalities like Subhash Chandra Bose, Rajendra Prasad and Gandhiji visited her at different occasions. went to the Gopal temple and spent some time inside the ashram, and the hanging terrace overlooking the Ganges was really beautiful. The Ramnagar fort, located opposite to the Tulsi Ghat, was built in 1750 by Kashi Naresh Maharaja Balwant Singh. The royal family still resides over here. A portion of the fort is open for the public, where goods used by the royal family are kept on display. The next part of our Kashi Parikrama started from the Panchganga Ghat. It is believed 5 sacred rivers confluenced at this juncture. The Samadhi Mandir of Sri Tailanga Swami is situated over here. Hailed as the holiest city of the Hindus, the canvas of Kashi is colored with plurality of traditions and tolerance of counter views. Another spot over here is the Alamgir Mosque. Popular as the Dharara among the locals, it was built by Aurangzeb after demolishing the famous Vishnu temple, which was built by Maratha chieftain Beni Madhur Rao Scindia. We caught sight of lots and lots of birds, and the divine Ganges appeared even more gorgeous.
एक व्यक्ति इतना धन कमाया, सोचा कि अपने माँ के लिए मंदिर बनवा दे। जब उसने मंदिर बनवा कर पूरा किया तो अपने माता को बुलवाया। माँ, मैं काशी में मंदिर बनवाए हैं, आप आकर रहिए, पूजा पाठ करिए, अपने मोक्ष को प्राप्त करिए। मैं आपके दूध के ऋण से उत्तीर्ण हुआ। इतना बोला है, शंकर जी क्रोध में आकर तिरछा हो गए। माँ का ऋण न आज तक कोई चुकता किया है न कर पाएगा। बोलिए शंकर भगवान की जय।
The city of salvation is where the perpetual pyres of the Manikarnika Ghat frees the soul from the shackles of life and death.
Raja Man Singh of Amir had built the Man Mandir Ghat along with a pretty palace overlooking the Ganges. On the roof of the palace, Raja Jai Singh built an observatory which is popularly called the Jantar Mandir.
पार्टी থেকে थोड़ा कम है, 18 समथिंग है। हाँ, 12.5 का जो छाई आता है, मतलब 12-20 ऐसा होगा। 12-20 हो रहा है, 12-15, 12-20। हाँ, बोला ना।
हाँ, एक तो वही है टाइम।
Located close to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, the Dashashwamedh Ghat is always crowded with curious spectators. The fascinating evening aarti makes it one of the most famous of the ghats of Banaras. It is said that Lord Brahma had performed Ashwamedh Yajna at this place, and this sacrificial event of 10 horses resonates with the name of the ghat. Varanasi, a city that is crisscrossed with narrow lanes, its heritage weaved with folklores and bound together with age-old cultural traditions.
I have been to Varanasi a couple of times, but this time it was special. Sudeep and I wanted to start the new episode of our lives by seeking Baba Vishwanath's blessings. And amidst the 5 elements of earth, space, air, water, and fire, We vow to be together forever.